In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect your Google Docs. As we all know, securing our digital documents is increasingly important, and Google Docs offers a straightforward way to add an extra layer of security using third-party add-ons. To get started, open your web browser, whether you're using Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or another browser. This process should work seamlessly. Once your browser is open, head to google.com. It's the familiar starting point for so many of us when it comes to accessing Google's suite of powerful tools. Next, sign into your Google account if you haven't already done so. Clicking the sign in button will prompt you to enter your email address. After entering it, simply click Next. You'll then need to type in your password. Once you've done that, click Next one more time. And there you go, you're signed in and ready to proceed. Now locate the small box icon on the upper right side of your screen. Clicking on this will display a panel with all the Google apps at your disposal. From this menu, select Google Docs. This will open your Google Docs dashboard where you can see all your saved documents. Choose the document you want to password protect. Open the document and let's begin installing the necessary add-on to secure it. At the top of the window, you'll see a menu option labeled Extensions. Click on this, then select Add-ons from the drop-down menu. A new panel will open, and you need to click on Get Add-ons. This takes you to the Google Workspace Marketplace. Here's where we'll find the tool to help us password protect our document. In the search bar at the top of the marketplace, type Doc Secrets. This is a handy add-on specifically used for securing your Google Docs with a password. Once the results load, click on Doc Secrets. You'll be directed to the add-ons page. From there, proceed to click Install. A prompt will guide you through the process. Click Continue when you're ready. Follow any additional instructions carefully. If every step is followed correctly, you'll have effectively installed Doc Secrets, equipping your document with password protection capabilities. The add-on will provide intuitive prompts allowing you to set up a password for your chosen document. Trust the process. It's designed to be straightforward, so there you have it. By following these steps utilizing Doc Secrets, not only have you learned how to add a strong layer of security to your documents, but you've also ensured that unauthorized access is something you no longer need to worry about. This solution is ideal for anyone needing to keep sensitive information private within their Google Docs. Thank you for watching, and stay secure.